In this video, I'll show you how to use AirDrop to share files on your iPhone. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so other people can find it. You first need to make sure that both devices have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on. To do that, you're simply going to drag down your screen from the top right corner. Then you're going to access your control center and you're going to enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then you're going to go to your camera roll and you're going to select the picture or the video that you want to share, and you're going to tap on the share icon at the bottom left of your screen, and then you're going to tap on AirDrop. Now on your phone, you're going to see all the nearby devices that can accept this file. You're going to go ahead and select the one that you want to share the video or image to. On the receiving device, just go ahead and tap on accept, and that way the other person will receive your file. And that's it. Hope that helps.